With the weather heating up, I've been really wanting a style that's simple, stylish, and easy to maintain, and this U-Part bodyweight wig checked all the boxes. It's 22 inches long, super full, and gives that soft, natural look without a lot of effort. Lately, I've been all about low-maintenance options that still feel put together, especially on days when I'm rushing out the door or don't feel like doing too much to my real hair. This is one of those wigs you can throw on, style a little, and still look like you put in way more effort than you actually did. So let's go ahead and jump straight into this install. So to prep my hair, I'm doing a simple braid down using 3 large cornrows going straight back. I connect the end of one braid to the next so that everything stays secure and lays as flat as possible. After all 3 braids are done, I crochet the loose ends into the base braids. This method keeps the foundation smooth and helps the wig sit comfortably without creating any bulk. So the flatter your base, the more natural your wig will look, especially with the U-part. Now I'm sectioning off the part that will be left out. I'm taking a small amount of hair in the shape of a U for the part itself, along with a little extra in the front to help everything blend naturally. As I braid down the front, I'm being gentle and keeping the braids flat. It's also getting hot outside, and I honestly just needed something quick that didn't require a lot of daily styling. A U-part wig is perfect for that because most of my hair stays protected underneath, and I only have to deal with a small amount of leave out. So this is a great low manipulation option when you still want a polished look without putting too much stress on your real hair. So once the front is braided, I'm putting on a thin stocking cap to hold everything in place. I'll leave the U-part section and the bit of the front out so I can blend it later. So the cap also helps keep the base smooth and secure underneath the wig. Okay, y'all, so let's get into the fun part. Now I'm placing this wig. This U-part unit comes with 5 clips sewn in into the top for a firm grip, along with an adjustable elastic drawstring and a secure elastic band in the back. It's glueless and breathable, which makes it very comfortable to wear, especially in the summertime. So after clipping it into place around the U-part section, I take my flat iron and straighten my leave out for a smoother blend. I keep the heat moderate just to avoid any unnecessary damage. I also curl the leave out slightly so it matches the wave pattern of the wig. Now I'm taking my leave out down in the middle, and I realized it was still a little damp from earlier. So I went in with my blow dryer just to make sure everything is completely dry. You definitely want your leave out to be fully dry before adding heat or blending it with the wig, just to avoid any unnecessary heat damage. We don't want heat damage over here. Once it was dry, I went ahead and added a few curls to match the body wave texture of the wig. This helps everything blend together more seamlessly, and I love how soft and natural it looks once it's curled. Now I'm adding a few soft curls throughout the wig using my flat iron. Although the texture is already a beautiful body wave, curling it adds more definition and volume. This wig is very full, especially for a 22-inch length, and the natural black color blends beautiful with my own hair. So I'm curling the hair away from my face to give it a more polished look. This wig holds curls really well and the overall style feels lightweight but also full. This style is perfect for summer because it doesn't take too much effort to look put together. I've been reaching for hairstyles like this more often, something I can do in one sitting without having to keep touching it up all week. Once you curl it and blend it with your leave out, you're good to go. And since the wig is already full and holds heat well, it only takes a few passes with the flat iron to get those curls in place. So I'm curling the hair away from my face on both sides to open it up and give it a more airy, everyday feel. This U-part wig is such a great option if you want something that's beginner friendly, protective, and low maintenance. I've definitely added it to my go-to styles when I want to look put together without spending too much time on my hair. And here's the finished look. It's quick and easy and looks very natural without putting too much stress on my real hair. Let me know what you think in the comments, and if you've ever tried a U-part wig before, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this, and I'll see you in my next video.